Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. For today, as always, I'm using one of the best trading platform named Pocket Option for the binary options. Now I'm just choosing the 1 minute candles for the chart, and I'm choosing the best indicators for today's trading session. So the first one is zigzag indicator together with two moving averages, and the last one will be vortex oscillator. Okay, so now let me set the chart, set the indicators. Okay, so concerning the moving average, the first one will be red. Let's save it. Now let's proceed to the second moving average. Okay, so it's done. Concerning the vortex, let's change the period to 11 and let's save it. Okay, so we are ready to start. Okay, you can clearly see that price here has hit the strong level of resistance and we're starting receiving the pullback reaction. So that's why let's open sell position, investing our $88 in this trade. It's done. And now we just need to wait until the end of the time period. As you can see, I'm always using the short time period for just 1 minute. And I invest my whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. And today our initial deposit is just $88. I'll try my best to pump it as possible, as fast as possible. Okay, so you can clearly see that we are receiving a very good reaction from the resistance line zone. Price is dropping significantly without any stops. We have already shown the bearish consumption of the previous two bullish candles, and we can even have just made the new local low. Okay, so just several seconds left, and yep, the first trade is closed with profit. Now just give me several seconds to analyze the market and find the next currency pair to trade it. What do we have here? First of all, let's change our investment to $168 and let's open sell position, because you can clearly see that we're moving in the descending channel, and I will draw it for you. Just give me 1 second so that you can see. Yep, so just look at this. We have just touched the upper edge of the descending channel, and after this we started receiving the pullback reaction, a very strong one. We have already shown the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle, and price doesn't want to stop. We're dropping more and more, and I'm quite sure that we will reach the bottom line of the current descending channel. Okay, so it's done. The second trade is also profitable one, and now we are ready to move forward exact direction. So that's why I switched to the CHF GPI currency pair, and here we have something interesting. Let's change our investment to $323 and open sell position. We have already done this. Why did we do this? Because according to the vortex, the price is slightly overbought, and we need to have a cool down, which will be followed by the short-term down-going correction. So that's why we have open sell position here, investing $323. So it's done. One more profitable trade. And by the way, guys, while I'm looking for another trading pair, don't forget to check the description to this video and subscribe to my private TJ link for which you can find in the description. Here you'll find the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the best trading sessions ever. You will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, it's absolutely free. Do this right now, link in the description. Okay guys, so while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position. As you can see, like in the previous scenario, we are moving in the descending channel, and I just followed it, so that's why I opened sell position in the continuation of the current drop. So that's why $520 are invested in this trade, and still we have around $100 left on the account. This is our hedge asset. because if you remember, we had around 88 bucks at the beginning. Now we just had 100 bucks left. Okay, so one more profitable trade, guys, and we have around $1,100 on the account. As you can see, according to the vortex, price is in the sell zone right now, and I'm changing my investment to $900. I have opened sell position in the continuation of the current drop. Why did we do this? So first of all, let's pay attention to the both moving averages. We're now below both moving averages according to the zigzag indicator. We're also in the sell zone, and vortex is just telling us to sell. So that's why, having paid attention to the three indicators, I have decided to just follow the current downgoing trend, and I just opened the sell position continuation of this downgoing trend. So that's why 900 bucks are invested in such kind of movement. Okay, so that's it. And as you can see, we have just opened this position at price, started dropping significantly, having already shown the new local low, and that means that we are ready to drop more. So that's why it's absolutely safe trade. And just a few seconds left and we will get money from it. $1,927 on the account, around 2,000 bucks. I think this will be the last trade for today. Once again, as you can see, we're now in the flat channel. Nothing interesting. Boeing. Okay, concerning Boeing, there are some interesting things. First of all, let's change our investment to $1,827. And let's open buy position. Why did I open it? First of all, you can clearly see that we're staying now on the strong resistance level, and price has already tried to break through it for 1, 2, 3, 4, around 9 times. Price tried to break through this level. It's failed to do this. We had a short-term downgoing correction, during which we have gathered enough power and liquidity to finally make the new rally and break through finally this level. And moreover, now we're in the buy zone according to the both moving averages and zigzag indicator together with vortex oscillator. So everything is just telling us to open buy position, and we have already done this. So that's why I'm almost sure that we will break through this resistance line zone right now. And just several seconds left and we will see this. So yep, my friends, I was absolutely right. We did it, and we have around $3,600 on the account. So if you want to have the same kind of results, you can easily do this by joining my Telegram channel, link for which you can find in the description to this video. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with my dream team. See you all, guys. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye.